Casa Della Lavanda. Crochet for beginners. Lesson 3. Double crochet stitch in British terminology or half double crochet in United States terms. A double or half double crochet is made by putting your yarn over the hook and then putting your hook through the two V-shaped strands at the top of your chain stitch or stitch from your previous line of crochet. Hook the yarn with your hook and pull it through the V strands. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Put the yarn over your hook and pull it through these 3 loops. You've made a double crochet, or half double if you are using the American terminology. Repeat these stitches until the end of the row. You can then turn your work, make 2 chains, and make your double or half double crochet into the second V from the hook. The chains are instead of the first double or half double crochet and keeps your work neater. Carry on until the end of the row and repeat as many times as you need to for your project or pattern. You now have the means to make more varied designs of blankets and throws if you vary your stitches with single crochet or treble, which is double crochet in American terminology, and that will be the subject of our next video. Try making squares or rectangles to sew together for a blanket or throw, or just make one big square or rectangle. Comment below on how you're getting on with your crochet, and also if you would like to see a particular stitch or project. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and to subscribe to this channel for crafting, creating, and DIY tips.